Hey guys, the kitchen is finally done and I am so happy to be sharing this with you. I am going to show you just the last few bits I did to finish the kitchen off. Finally, time for the taps to go in, and I have gone for double taps from Quooker that will give me hot boiling water as well. Now starts the fun part. I have to wash every single thing in the kitchen and then find the things their perfect space. So excited. And these are going to be the cutlery drawers that are going to store all my little bits and bobs that I need every day in my kitchen. It's a labor of love. Wash every single thing in the kitchen that has been sitting there, catching all the dust on all my shelves, and then wash every single thing before I put them in the cupboards nicely. Long way to go. And then all the beautiful plants go back in their places. So I have got most of my pans here. They're all washed, cleaned, and I'm just going through each one of them. Everyone's got their lid, nothing's missing, nothing's broken, and then I can find them a space to go into these drawers. These are kind of nice deep pans. These are for shallow, like curries and rice. This is more like for biryani or lots of curry, and these are kind of everyday pans just for like noodles, stir fry, sabjis. And this is really nice. It's a pan and it's got a little thing here, and you can cook your food in here, and then you can steam some vegetables in here while the food is cooking and you cover it up. So I really like this one. And just going through all the little spices and little jars of things and sorting them out. Just going through all the spices I have got the same spices in 2 little jars, so I'm trying to put them in one. I have got lots and lots of spices. I will, once I've finished arranging the kitchen, I promise I will make a video of sharing what spices I use the most. If you want to start Indian cooking, what are the basic spices you should have. But right now I am just putting it all here. So these are all my jars, and I got these steps made, which is great. So these will all be my jars, and over here I've got all the spices jars already that I had. Okay, so I am changing something. I'm going to get the shells in the bottom drawer as well, because the jars that were sitting on my shelf here before can actually might be able to sit in here and still the drawer could close. Yay! Oh my god, that's working. Okay. So I am going to then place them all here. I am now attacking my the gas hob, because I just used the same one I had before. It's from Neff and it's really good. So I am going to try and make it all shiny and new. Let's see how that works. Just using my friend Nancy's tips for eco-friendly cleaning, and using some bicarb soda to try and clean this hob to make it shiny and new. So I am just going to scrub this up in a bit. I have got them all soaking here, sitting nicely, and I'll come back to this in a few hours. I'm trying to get into the corners of all these pieces, trying to remove as much grease as possible, make it as clean before I get the hob together and get it all going. And after hours of soaking, polishing, the hob is actually sparkling clean, just like me. So I have almost done the kitchen and sorted the kitchen. Whew, just a few more bits left, but I am kind of redoing my props, plates and my bowls and all the things. Just going through everything and stuff that I haven't used and I don't like, I am going to take them out. So far I haven't come across anything that I don't like. So that's that. Anyway, so yeah, I have got some beautiful bowls and things, so I'm just trying to get them sorted. While I'm doing it, might as well go through all of them again and give it a good clean. I am using OXO containers for all the breakfast cereals, the snacks, the lentils, rice, because they are airtight and really good. Sia has been absolutely waiting to peel this for days now. Oh my god, that makes such a big difference. You've got the whole kitchen to finish, Sia. And here is my spice collection. These are all the spices that I use all the time, and from different places that I've bought them. So I've got them all, some different kinds of salts, and then over here I've got my other spices which I use all the time again: chaat masala, amchur, curry powder, and the rest of them. So yeah, that's all very sorted, organized and close to the hob. That's all the little baking stuff, some brushes and little bits and bobs. And here I have got some more spices. So these are all the kind of whole spices like cloves and cinnamon, bay leaves, kinds of, you know, the whole spices, and also my little spice box that I use all the time. And all the cutlery is in one place here with all my little bits and bobs. And the pans just next to the hob for ease of use. And of course I couldn't forget the Tupperware, because you know, we need them very much. These are little lunch boxes which are really quite handy. Hopefully we'll use them for the picnics that are coming soon. And actually I'm not done with spices yet. Oh my god, I know you must think, god, how many spices. So that's all the oils and vinegars, and a little baking section just right here with the colors and the flavors. And I've got all the spreads here, and some of the spices that I don't use very often are hiding in there, making it all very easy to use when I am in the zone and cooking. And I've also organized the rest of my pans and bobs in here, the ones that I don't use very often, and yeah, so it should be all very good for use of cooking. And this is the section where all the plates and bowls for everyday use go in. Yesterday I organized the snack cupboard because that's all the snacks, all the breakfast bits are in here, so it's all very organized. And here are all the lentils. There's a big selection and they're all sitting in this cupboard. So the taps are from Quooker, and I've just got a normal hot and cold tap because we live in a very hard water area. I've got softened water here, but that's not good for drinking, so I've got drinking hard water here. And the best and most exciting bit is boiling water, so that I don't have to wait for the kettle to boil. I can use the boiling water for cooking and tea. And I've just got the teas and coffees all in here. And a knife magnet that I've been wanting in the kitchen for ages. And taking a place of pride, my 4 cookbooks. Now the kitchen is ready and it's waiting for me to cook something delicious. So don't forget to subscribe and join me for a brand new recipe from this new kitchen coming very soon.